I can't wait to cook together with you. A simple and quick recipe for fried potatoes with ham and cheese. A dish that will turn out well for everyone. This is the way my grandmother taught me to fry potatoes a long time ago. We will need 400 grams of potatoes. Peel them and cut each potato into 4 pieces. Transfer the potatoes to a pot. Pour boiling water over them so they cook faster. Place the pot on the stove. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, cover with a lid, and cook for 5 minutes over medium heat. While the potatoes are cooking, grate 50 grams of any cheese on a coarse grater. I'm using mozzarella. Transfer the potatoes to a bowl and leave them for a couple of minutes so they can dry slightly. Heat the frying pan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 30 grams of butter. It makes the dish tastier and more aromatic. Add all the potatoes to the pan and lightly fry them. I can imagine how those of you who love fried potatoes are feeling right now. Cut 50 grams of ham. I got 4 slices, first into strips, then into small cubes. Add it to the potatoes and mix well. At this point, a creamy aroma appears and an amazing smell spreads throughout the house. Take 1 large clove of garlic, or 2 medium ones. Crush the garlic with a knife so it's easier to chop finely. What kind of fried potatoes are they without garlic? Add it to the pan, increase the heat, and stir well without covering the pan. Fry for a couple more minutes. The potatoes are almost ready since they were pre-boiled. Add 1 level teaspoon of ground pepper and 1 level teaspoon of paprika. Wonderful smells and aromas fill the kitchen. Let them combine well. From simple ingredients, we've made a real masterpiece. Now, you can generously sprinkle everything with cheese. Chop 30 grams of parsley. It immediately brings associations with freshness. Sprinkle the parsley at the very end of cooking, so the aroma stays bright and alive. Cover the pan with a lid and turn off the heat. The cheese has melted. Our delicious and appetizing potatoes are ready. Oh wow, the aroma in my kitchen is incredible. Now, let's taste it together. After watching this video, please go straight to your kitchen and cook these potatoes. I've already tried them, so I can describe the taste for you. They turned out juicy on the inside, tender, with a garlic butter aroma. Simply amazing potatoes. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on the video. See you next time. Bye bye!